These 20-inch Intex blow-up balls are absolutely fun. They're very colorful, and you can literally bring them anywhere. This is our second set, and we're bringing them on vacation with us. It's just great for the pool, the beach, cottages. If you have a pool in your backyard, they are just great and universal. They come in a pack of 4, very budget friendly, and really durable. And when you do blow them up, the air it stays inflated pretty well. You can blow these up. I did, but I do recommend using a pump. Otherwise, they are really great fun. They obviously are really light. They are Intex balls, so on a windy day, it could make it a little bit of a challenge to toss it around, and you know how it goes. So windy days, definitely the only con I could possibly think about these, but they're still great fun nevertheless. And again, we bring these on vacations, to the parks, really everywhere with us, as my toddler loves to throw these and kick it around and just chase the ball. So great way to tire out kids as well, but even great family fun together, great bonding time. So I do highly recommend these. Again, it's very budget friendly. It comes in a pack of 4. And yes, if you're in the market for them, they're definitely a lot of fun this summer.